In this video, we are going to take a closer look at the MTN 5G broadband router and what you're expected to get once you buy this router. And in this video, we're also going to run a speed test between MTN 5G broadband router and Spectranet MiFi. Let's know which one is faster and which one has a greater download speed and which one has a greater upload speed. So if you want to know what you're expected to get once you buy the MTN 5G broadband router, make sure you watch this video to the end. Meanwhile, for those of you that are watching my video for the first time, my name is Asuiken Kingsley, and on this channel I give you tips and solutions on how to make money online and other relevant things that helps in our daily online space. But during the weekend, I make sure I give you updates on new games and apps in the virtual reality space. So if you wouldn't want to miss any of my content, make sure you're subscribed to this channel and make sure the notification button is turned on so that you will be the first to know once I upload a new video. So let's jump right into the main video. You only get two things. One, the router, and two, the power bank. Now, before we go on and unpack this router, I just want to inform you that as of the time I'm making this video, it will only cost you 50,000 naira to buy this MTN broadband router from MTN office. This router comes with 100 gigabytes of data that will last you just 30 days. So let's first of all open the power bank, which is just a power bank that is only meant to power the MTN 5G broadband router. And right inside the carton is just the manual. And let's go ahead and open the main router. So inside this small carton, you find your MTN 5G broadband router, the power adapter, and a LAN connector. So that's all you find inside this small carton, and just the manual. So we are going to power this on. Let's see how it works. But before we power it on, let's first of all open the router itself. This is the SIM that comes with it. So as you guys can see, this adapter or charger is not type C and is not type B. You can see how the port is, and on your MTN router you see 5G MTN power, then Wi-Fi signal, 4G, 5G, and the strength. So let's go to the back. So right here, what you're seeing here is LAN 1, LAN 2, LAN 3, LAN 4. From here, you can connect your desktop, some laptop. You can also connect some laptop through these means, but mostly is desktop. This is the power button, power on and off. And this is the port where you plug your charger. And this is for telephone. Now, this is the SIM slot. And this is type C. I actually don't know what this last port is meant for, but it's showing like a USB or something, or a port you can use to access the internal memory of this router. But this is your SIM slot. So this is all that is at the back of this MTN 5G broadband router. In front, this button does not work. Any of these buttons, they don't work. So we're going to power this router on now. I'm not going to use this to power it on because this will need me to plug in the electricity. We're going to use power bank, the power bank that comes with it, to power it on. So let's go on and plug this to the router, and let me check if the power is off. Okay, the power is off. Let me press it in. It's now turned on. So you can see, guys, I'm going to press this button, power the bank on. Once you power it on, you can see here there's a blue light showing here. This router takes some few seconds or up to a minute to power, to boot anyway, because all the light will still come up here, the light will still come up here. If it's getting 5G signal, it's going to tell you here. If it's getting 4G signal, it's going to tell you here. And where I live, there's only 4G. MTN said 5G is coming in just few weeks. So I think what I'll be getting here is only 4G for now, until they do the installation and the necessary thing about the 5G in my area. So let's wait for this to boot. Let me show you guys how this works. And we're going to do a test on this router. We're going to compare this router to my Spectranet router. We're going to check the speed on the internet on this and the internet in my Spectranet. So you can see the second light has come up. That is the Wi-Fi signal, and this is the strength. So let's still wait and see. Okay. All right. You can see the red light has come up. Once it gets full signal, it's going to change to blue. And then it's going to tell you if it's getting 5G or 4G signal. So let's wait a little bit and see if it's going to get 4G or if it's going to get 5G in this area, although there's no 5G in this area for now, which I'm told is coming in a few weeks' time. So what we'll be getting here is 4G. You can see this is now showing green, and it's showing that the signal is getting is 4G network. That is what is showing. 4G signal strength is very okay. So let's go on and test this router in my laptop. So in this video, we are going to test this modem. Let me put it on. I still have internet bundle in this modem. This is my first modem, Swift NG. This is Swift, the very first Swift modem. I bought this router, that was a couple of years ago. And after I used, this is the first router I used. And after this, I jumped into MTN. Okay. After MTN, this router, I bought this. This is Spectranet. Most of you that live in Lagos, this is Spectranet. I don't know. I think this is in Abuja as well. I don't know if it's in Port Harcourt, but this is Spectranet modem. I lost this one, and after this, because of the Wi-Fi, I want to regulate the number of people I want to be connecting to my internet modem. I decided to purchase this. When I lost this, I had to purchase this, because with this, you can set the people you want to access your modem. And if you don't want them anymore, you don't even need to go to their phone or go to their tablet or laptop and disconnect them. But with this modem, you can disconnect them while they are still connected, and they will not be able to access your internet anymore. So this is Spectranet and this is Spectranet. This is MTN, ZTE, and this is Swift NG, Swift Network. Now, all this before I got to this. So what we're going to do now is go to my Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi that is connected on this system is MTN 5G, and this is on. I'm going to connect to King Studio 360, which is this, and which is this modem. Connect. So we are connected on this modem, and we're going to open this website, speedtest.net. I think I made a mistake. Okay, enter. This is Spectranet Wi-Fi. So here we're using Spectranet, which is this one, and we're going to test the speed, the download and the upload speed. Remember that this modem, which is my MTN 5G, is still on 4G in this my area, so there's no 5G. So we are not actually testing the 5G because there's no 5G in this area. So you guys can see it's on 4G. So let's test the Spectranet. Click on go. I'll leave a link in the description below this video for those of you that want to test your internet speed, download and upload speed on your phone and on your laptop. So we're testing this the download speed of the Spectranet, and I think it's giving us 25 Mbps for download, and upload is giving us like 1 Mbps. And the upload speed is the reason why I bought this. Although if you can see here, the signal strength is not strong. Once it's green, the signal strength is not strong. But if it's on blue, once it's on blue, the signal strength is very good. So we are getting 25 Mbps on download and 0.96, less than 1 Mbps on upload. So I'm going to switch over. Let me switch over to MTN 5G. This is my MTN 5G. Connect. So we're now connected on MTN 5G. And let's go and run a speed test. Don't forget, download speed 25 Mbps on Spectranet and upload is 0.96 Mbps. So let's click on MTN Go. Let's check the speed of the MTN 5G router. And you guys should not forget that this is also 4G modem. So as you guys can see, the download speed of this MTN on 4G is 24.59 Mbps. And the upload speed is 3.64 Mbps, which is relatively very fast. Okay, and sometimes I get up to 5, up to 7 Mbps in upload speed. So MTN is quite faster, although the MTN is not on 5G. Here is on 4G. Okay, so I will do another test maybe with my phone once I get to a 5G coverage area. Let's know the speed of this 5G router in a 5G environment. You guys can see that MTN 5G router, broadband router is quite very fast, faster than Spectranet router. And Spectranet is relatively fast in download, but when uploading is less than 1 Mbps, and MTN is giving us 3 point something Mbps, which means if you're uploading file, MTN is going to take up that file faster than Spectranet. So this is all I have for you guys in this video, and I hope this video was helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And for those of you that are watching my video for the first time, make sure you subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on the notification button so that you wouldn't miss any of my video. I will see you guys in my next video. You guys should stay creative and remain blessed.